A print spool service will help you when there's print job stuck in a queue in your printing job, and it is difficult to manually clear the print job in a queue of your printer. To help you out, use print spool service as follows. On your desktop, type services. Click on services. Expand it. Look for print spool. Okay, this is it. Click on it and click restart. Immediately it restarts, it clears the print job automatically. But note, you must have administrator right to do this, and they can go ahead and print your job.